Hi guys, it's me, Olga, and at this video I want to show you how to create this everyday natural look by using only one palette and how this palette can save your money, replace 4 separate products, and how this palette can save space in your bags. This is Hourglass Palette Ambient Light. As you can see, I do this review after total using it, and you can see which product I used very often. And going forward, I can recommend this palette from all my heart to any girl, to any makeup artist, to their cases, because it is perfect palette, perfect texture for everyday makeup and for professional using. There are 3 brightening powders, but actually, and also you can use it like delicate highlight, bronzer, and 2 shades of blushes. The texture of all this product is shimmer. It's very delicate glow without active large glitters. I have foundation, brow pencil, mascara on my face, and now I want to show you how with this palette I create very natural look, how to bring structure, healthiness to my face. So let's start from highlight. I will use brightening powder like highlighting. For more intense application, I will put it right after foundation without powder and put it upper cheekbone here. Apply it on all of my eyelids. But if you have hoodie brow or prominent brow bone, don't highlight it like I do. If you have this type of eyes, I recommend it put on the middle of the eyelid. Don't all over eyelid. I love highlighting the inner of the eyes. It's a great way to bring life and light into your eyes. I put highlight on the bridge nose, and also I apply highlight on the cupid bows. I love to highlight ears. It's really delicate highlight, and actually it's very hard to overdo. Now it's play with shading, and for this I will use bronzer. It's really beautiful shadow. It's actually not a lot of what I have, because I actually love this product. The idea is create healthy glow from tropical sun. If you want to avoid patchiness by first slightly dusting your face with translucent powder, it helps with blending. If you don't want to use powder, use bronzer by small amount and do it step by step. Then you can add small amount on your forehead, near the hairline. But remember, if you have small forehead, avoid this step or do it really slightly. And using bronzer, we can create eye makeup. I apply bronzer on eyelid fold and blending there. And we can use small brush, put it on your lower eyelid. Now it's time to play with blush. Let's imagine. When we smile, we put blush here on the top of cheeks. And when we stop smiling, everything goes down. But in order to avoid this, let's put blush a little above here. And when we stop smiling, everything happens on the right place. You see, I work with this part of my face. Now let's apply here. So let's smiling, yes, and put a little above of the cheek here. Connect with highlighting, bronzer, and don't put blush on this area. Work on this, but you can put a little on your cheeks. And also you can add this color, these two colors, on your eyelid. Use a small brush and put it on eyelid fold and blending there. Blending on the middle of the eyelid. If you want, you can add a little amount of blush on your bottom eyelid, but it needs to be a little to avoid ill look. And the final step is using brightening powder. Actually, I'm obsessed with this product because of small shimmer. It gives very healthy glow to the skin and makes reflect effect. I mixed these three colors together and apply it under the eye, but very light amount. But if you have wrinkles, you can avoid this step or use it really small amount of product. And then with brush which I use for highlighting, I mix these three colors and put on here and connect with bronzer. It really gives healthy glow. So guys, this is the result. So easy, natural look with only one palette. I'm sure that you can easily repeat it. So let me know what you think about this look. I will happy to read all your questions, all your thoughts, so please be free, write me, and see you next time. Bye bye.